Hi everyone, welcome. If you're looking for a new dashcam, the market is vast and varied. There are so many good options to choose from, it can be hard to know where to start. That's why we've put together this list of our favorite dashcams on the market right now. We've broken the list down by price point, so whether you're looking for a budget-friendly option or have some money to spend on a top-of-the-line model, these are the best dashcams on the market right now. The BlackVue DR750X is a mid-range dashcam that offers everything you could want and more in a dashboard recorder. This device records beautifully clear 1080p footage at 60 frames per second, offering fluid motion to capture sharp details of fast action or sudden changes in your surroundings. This feature is incredibly useful for keeping an eye on your car while it's parked. It will record any events and send you an alert if something happens. If the ignition is turned off, the camera will switch over to parking mode, which will start recording when motion is detected and stop after a preset time. The included screen can be mounted either on the windshield or on the dash for easy, direct playback of footage, and you can use the app to connect to your dashcam wherever there's an internet connection. Several other accessories are available for this device as well, allowing you to connect it to your smartphone via Bluetooth or Wi-Fi and view video files remotely so you can keep track of what's happening even when you're away from your vehicle. This device has excellent video quality with a wide field of view and accurate color representation, making it perfect for use both as a primary drive recorder and as a security camera in parking mode. The Cobra South Carolina 400D UHD Video 4K dashcam with built-in Alexa is the next generation of smart dashcams. At 4K video resolution, the camera records beautiful and detailed footage that can be used to capture accidents or act as evidence when needed. The camera has a new Drive Smarter app that allows you to use your smartphone to interact with the dashcam and give it directions. It allows you to instantly start recording if you sense something important happening on your road trip. The app also gives you a real-time view of everything that's happening in front of you, allowing you to focus on driving while still being able to spot hazards in time. This device features 3 cameras, one front-facing camera, one rear-facing camera and one rear parking camera, which makes it easier for you to capture footage from different angles. In case there is an accident, the device will automatically detect it and save the footage for later use. It also features advanced safety and security features such as lane departure warning, forward collision warning, parking surveillance and speed warning functions. The Viofo A139 is an excellent choice for a dashcam. It comes with a corporal, which is perfect for deflecting glare and making the camera more effective. It has superb night vision capabilities and captures crisp images. The small size makes it easy to mount. It has built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, so you can connect it to your phone or computer easily to view footage, change settings, and transfer files. The voice recognition function will give you hands-free operation by allowing you to operate the device with your voice alone. Super night vision allows the camera to pick up details in low light conditions. The 3 parking mode solutions makes it great for use as a backup camera as well as for recording video inside the car. It comes with a 16GB micro SD card, which is enough storage space for 7 hours of video at 1080p 60 fps quality setting. This dashcam is very simple to install and use. It records all the important moments while you are on the road or parked, and will be a valuable tool if you ever have to prove that someone damaged your vehicle or caused an accident while they were behind the wheel. The REDTIGER F7N 4K Dual Dash Cam is a high-end dash cam that records Ultra HD 4K plus 1080p at 30 frames per second, while also keeping the 1080p at 60 frames per second, to ensure that you don't miss any important details. It has Wi-Fi and GPS built into the camera, so you can connect it to your phone and see what's going on in your car, and anywhere else, right from your phone. Not only does the camera record all day long and night, but it also has a G-sensor and loop recording feature, so if an incident happens while you're away, it will save and lock the footage until you get back. The wide 135-degree angle lens captures everything in front of your car and allows for a greater visibility range. The Sony sensor ensures top-quality video recording for clear playback and detailed video images. Each card comes with 8GB memory capacity, so you have enough space to record everything happening in front of your car. With this dash cam, you'll never miss anything again. The Rexing V1P dual-channel dash cam is an excellent choice for anyone looking to record their car's details. The 4K resolution lets you see even the smallest details of your vehicle, and the 2-channel recording can watch 2 different sides of your car simultaneously. The built-in GPS allows you to keep track of where your vehicle is, in case anything happens. In addition, the Wi-Fi and mobile app allow you to connect your camera with a smartphone with ease. This dashcam has a heavy-duty build quality, ensuring that it can withstand any weather or crashing. When you first use it, the installation process is effortless, as there are only 3 wires to connect: power, video, and ground. If there's an accident while you're driving, the G sensor triggers if there's a sudden change in speed or a hard impact. As soon as this occurs, the loop recording will start recording over the older footage instead of overriding it. In addition to these features, this dashcam also has parking monitor capabilities, which can keep track of your vehicle even when you're not in it by using its motion detection sensors. In fact, these sensors are so sensitive that they can capture license plates from different angles and take pictures. That's all about our suggestion of the best dashcam in 2022. For more details, check out the description below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.